Hi guys, welcome back to Gentlefix Daily Leads, and today's job leads come from a company called Knack. Now Knack is looking for some kindred spirits to join them on their crazy journey. They are building a 100% remote team dedicated to maximizing the impact, continuously improving and enjoying the journey. Now, remote for them is not a perk, it's how they've built their company. Now, they've been working 100% remote from their inception, and they are making every decision they've had around how best to grow the team, doing amazing and building a lasting culture of 100% remote environmental work. Now, some of the challenges that they have faced is that it's a work in progress, real time is still valuable, it's a team effort, serendipity is still possible, and public knowledge is sharing knowledge. The culture there is above all doers. They require you to be authentic. They also want you to trust, laugh, and learn and optimize the best way possible. Some of the benefits is that there are unlimited paid vacations, paid corporate retreats, learning credits, healthcare benefits, as well as a 401k. They do have 5 positions that are open and remote, so I'm going to go into them. The first one is a software engineer lead, and it is remote out of Spain. I am going to just go through the roles that they expect you to fill, and they are asking for you to be able to lead a QA team, including automation engineer and manual QA engineers. They want you to identify the highest value opportunities to transition existing manual test plans into automated coverage, create detailed test plans in collaboration with product engineering and success team, as well as they want you to develop and enhance regression test suites covering most critical areas of the application first. It is fully remote as is listed over here, full time, and the location is Spain. They're looking for someone who's a logical and critical thinker, experienced communicator who can work in cross-functional team to create an executive plan. They also want you to be focused on a problem, passionate about process and structure. They want you to embrace a dynamic and fast-paced environment, be humble but opinionated, and they want you to engage beyond tests. Now, some of their stacks: backend JavaScript, I'm just listing one, data, both SQL and NoSQL. They also have develop up and deployment method, all things AWS, Jenkins. They also have testing, Playwright, and of course, front end, they have Webpack. The benefits is that you define your work, you have paid corporate retreat, as was said before. Tech, they provide you with a top of the line MacBook, and there is long-term growth and planning, have executive level visibility. They have an annual allowance to help you to stay on top of your game with training, classes, books, and workshops, and you attend industry conferences that are meaningful to you. Now, they are a diverse company. They believe that different perspectives and backgrounds are what makes a company flourish. They have a knack for welcoming all applicants, regardless of their race, gender, orientation, sexual identity, economic class, ability, disability, age, religious belief, disbelief. It doesn't matter to them. They are proud to be an inclusive company with values grounded in equality and ethics. Now, how do you apply? The application is listed below, and we move on to the second job, which is the principal lead product manager. Now, the responsibilities that you will be refining and implementing NAC product management process to continue developing and optimizing the product-led growth. They foster the thought and constructive communication between product internal team and external clients. You create new product requirements and customer stories, as well as manage a backlog of requirements and feature. You run an agile product management practice while partnering with engineering teams throughout an agile product development lifecycle and strength alignment. And of course, you define and improve core product experience across NAC web application and customers' live app through ideation and execution with an eye for great user experience. Now, some of the skills that you will be needing to have: a willingness to act as a player coach in the beginning, as we hire for and grow the product team, as well as you need to be adept in the end-to-end ownership and full software product management lifestyle and experience in agile product management and partnering with engineering and design team in an agile way. Now, the benefits are much the same. You define your work, you have unlimited paid vacation, paid corporate retreat, healthcare, 401k, equal opportunity employment, learning credit, as well as tech, which is the Macbook, family support, which is where you get generous paid family leave to welcome any additional member of your family. Now, they have not listed the salary, but you can go ahead and apply below. The third job is the support engineer, and this is Spain's remote. The responsibilities or the roles that you need to resolve technical issues using JavaScript as well as other computer languages. You be the last point of escalation in the customer success team, help manage the issue backlog, assisting developers in priority and production, and assisting the success team in explanation, verification, and workaround. There are 4 other roles, one of which is to assist with creating tools used by the internal team to support customers. Now, you also need to be an inspiring and supportive teammate by actively participating in active feedback, idea generation, teaching, learning, and being a delightful human being. They're looking for someone who has intermediate full stack JavaScript knowledge, Node.js experience, and comfortable with CLI usage. You need to be a problem solver who is detail oriented, humble but opinionated, level headed, comfortable being uncomfortable, and hungry for meaningful work and space to do it. Now, their stack is front end, back end testing, and those are listed below. The benefits are just the same, and the application is listed below. The fourth job is a customer onboarding representative, and the role is that you help potential customers. And it says here that this role is only open to those eligible to work in the United States. Help potential customers validate that Knack will be an excellent fit for their use case and be honest when it's not. Work with customers to understand their business requirements and translate them into application recommendations. You need to be able to help prioritize inbound lead based on fit and potential. You need to be able to handle and respond to online chat calls, help lead customer candidates to that aha moment of the call, eureka, I found it, proof of the concept and webinar. And you need to be able to properly document customer goals and capabilities for long-term success of Knack. You need to be a natural communicator, an excellent writer, problem solver, experience in supporting DIY and no-code or local web platforms, comfortable with complexity, technically adept, and you need to be hungry for meaningful work. The information on the benefits and the perks are the same, and the application is listed below. Now, their application process is 6 steps. You have applied, you have an interview, then a second interview, a third interview, and you have a reference check. Then you get hired. Now, the final job is the software engineer lead, QA, which is in the United States. And it is similar to that of the work in Spain, but it is an honorable mention because it is fully remote in the United States and the benefits are the same. Now, thank you so much for watching this video and listening to the job leads. We continue to bring you more job leads from Gentifix Daily Leads. If you like what we are presenting here, do go ahead and like the video, comment below, and let us know if we can make it any better. Comment down below if it has been helpful for you. And until next time, peace.